Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to do one speaking activity with you guys. Our first activity is getting to know each other, and second activity is speak on a random topic. So first, we are going to do now speak on the random topic activity. In this activity, there are some topics that we have kept. You have to come to the podium, pick up a random sheet, and speak on the topic. Okay. So you will not be given any time to prepare on the topic. It is just instant, it is impromptu, and speak on the topic for at least 2 to 3 minutes. All right. So let's get started, everybody. Okay. So let's start with you. Please come to the podium, introduce yourself, and pick up a random topic.
Hello everybody, my name is Dhruv and I'm a student. So I will prepare this activity. So I just take my slip.
Please introduce your topic.
So my topic was on startups. So like I introduced my topic startup. So like startup are the companies which we are in an initial stage, like they are in unlisted company, and running a startup is very difficult in India because there are a lot of problem we faces by the co-founders, which were funding. Like the companies who are unlisted, they do not have that much fund. So if according to new 24 budget, so if a company get initial funding from any other source of party, so they will have to pay 30% tax, which is not good for the starting company, because as we know, the problem of the startup was mostly funding. Or if they have to pay 30% tax, so it's a very difficult hurdle. And many changes are come, like tax policies. So the raw material for the startups were going expensive, so it's very procuring to grab the raw material. So there are the certain problem which come across while running a startup. That's it.
All right, thank you very much. Right, let's start with another student. Please come.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sahil, and my topic is your hobbies. So, my hobbies are playing sports and cruising motorbikes. As I am an athlete and also karate black belt player, I have scored 2 times silver medal in international karate championship. One is in Malaysia and one is in Sri Lanka. And my another hobby is cruising motorcycle, because I love this. The feel and the thrill come from the motorbiking cruising is the best feeling I love. And now I have my two own bikes. And the playing sport is the very crucial in my life, because I start playing sports in my school. I have scored gold medal in the discus throw and the athletics. That's it.
Okay, and how do you feel Wayful classes are helping you, and why? How did you feel the need that you should take up, any English training course, and why did you choose Wayful?
Ma'am, because I have to go for my international championships and I have to communicate with others. So I have choose the BAFL and it's good going.
Okay, and how did you choose Wayful? Because there are plenty of other institutes
Ma'am, one of my friend recommended.
who had done course here.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes.
So let's give him a huge round of applause.
Good job he's doing for the country. Next person.
All right. So next,
I think we can call her.
Kirti. Let's welcome Kirti on the podium.
So hello everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Kirti Salanki. So let me pick my tip. My topic for today is if you could have a superpower, what it would be. So if I had a superpower, if I will be granted with a superpower, it will be enhancing my boxing skills. So I had a passion from childhood that I can make a professional career, or I can be professional in boxing. But due to some family reasons, as my family thought that my face would be damaged or anything else, so I could not pursue that. So after getting a superpower, I can enhance my boxing skills by creating a virtual sparring partner, or work on my strength, and in a short term period I can increase my technique skills or masters in technique, so that I can go ahead in boxing with studies.
So, Katie, you are from a good school, English medium school. So, how do you think, what all you have learned which was not there with you, or which you did not learn in your school? What have you learned here?
Yes, ma'am. The main reason that I lagged behind was my grammar. I did not work on my grammar. I think somewhere I have a confidence, but it is not on that level that I can speak well with people.
What about vocabulary, phrases, idioms?
Vocabulary, it all comes in grammar only, so not really. But I was
Do you have
lacking
any
behind.
new vocabulary and phrases here?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Clap for Katie. Jagjeet Singh ji, please clap.
Let's welcome Jagjeet ji.
Hello, I am Jagjeet Singh and living in Dwarka, and here I come to learn speaking English course, and I have experience of 25 years in printing job, and I want to tell you how to get more money from this topic. And there are too many requirements for these printing jobs, as a paper thickness and different types of papers. And under one roof, you can get cost of this books. You can make more money. And for this, you require lots of things, as printing, composing, designing, and so on. There are so many things. And for example, if you can get under one roof, you can get more money. But as example, for if one book costs rupees 175, it will cost under 105. By this, you can make more money, 70 rupees. By this, you can make
Jagjeet
money.
Singh ji, do you mind telling your age?
65.
He's 65 years. So, let's start. He can learn, and he's picked up such lovely English. His admission was taken by me, and I'm amazed today. What a growth!
Yeah.
Lovely English. Not even a single mistake you have done so far.
Thanks.
Very good. So, what was your purpose of learning English?
I want to go abroad for tour purpose, and for that communications gap, I want to
Fill
learn
that.
that.
Thank you so much. Situ.
Hi, what's good, everybody? This is Setu, and first of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce my business, because my topic is explain about your topic, and I'm truly delighted to be a part of this event. And I joined WIFL just 2 months ago to upskill my communication skills, and I'm in mid of my 40s, and I am a wife and a mother of 2, and I run a small online business of women dress material, and I recently started this business, and I deal with the directly deal with the artisan. There is no middleman and there is no agent. That's why I provide better quality and better price to my customers. And I mainly deal in handloom, not in powerloom. And such kind you can I can say Madhubani art, like, and Maheshwari, Fulkari, these kind of arts I am dealing in. And I choose online platform because there is too much competition every field. You can go offline and you can go online, but offline people are earning so much from us because we have less knowledge about the profit and loss, because they are charging for their AC, their staff, and what the facility they are giving us, they are charging it from us. And from online, we are not charging all these things. So you can get the dress material from lesser amount than the showrooms. That's all about me.
Okay, Situ. So, what all you've learned in Wayful, and you're speaking wonderfully well, and congratulations
Thank you.
for that.
Yeah.
I'm really amazed, and she was also like I would say Manav's admission, but she came to me, and I suggested an intermediate course and plus 1 month customized and all. What a sea change, I tell you!
Thank you, ma'am.
From nowhere to such good English. Wonderful.
It's
Clap.
all because of Bethel.
Let's welcome Soumya. Guys, please.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Soumya Agarwal and I belong to Delhi. Currently, I've completed my graduation and also I'm doing a job in graphic designing. So I'm also a graphic designer. So here I have a topic, a superpower I would like to have. If I have a superpower, I would definitely change a law which is criminalizing marital rape. It's about as a woman, if I have a power to change or feel safe, so everywhere, and I would like to change this law because in the ancient time, men are dominated women. So we have a right to feel safe everywhere, like home, workplace, and even most importantly, in our house. So if I say, in the ancient time, people were dominating women, right? So in the household, men also dominate their women, you know. So I would like to see that if a no means no, so even if your husband is. So thank you. This is my topic about.
Please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sushmita. First, my topic is experience as a primary teacher. I'm a primary teacher in Prakash Public School, and I love my job a lot because innocent children are playing with, and innocent children play and learn with me, and they always enjoy their classes with me. They are good children, and I always play with them. And thank you. That's it.
Thank you, Sushmita.
Okay, so the next we have Akash.
Let's welcome Akash.
Good afternoon, ma'am, and good afternoon, everyone. Today, my topic is self-introduction. My name is Akash Kumar. I am from Uttar Pradesh, but I am currently living in Delhi near Dwarka Sector 1, and I have completed my graduation in Bachelor of Science and from Purvanchal University, and my hobbies are listening music and traveling, and my strength is I am hardworking person, and my goal is I want to do job first, and then I will run my own business, and that's all about me. Thank you.
I hope you all are enjoying this activity, speaking here in front of everyone. So who plans to come over here next? Maybe Rohan can come in here. Rohan, by now you know what you have to do. You come here, pick the slip, and then you speak.
So let's welcome Rohan.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Rohan Sharma, and I am the student of BEFL since 3 months. I am picking up my JIT, and my topic is effects of medicine on their health. First of all, the effect of medicine on health is known as pharmacodynamics. It is its definition, and secondly, the effect of drugs on health. The drugs basically interface with sleep if increases insomnia. Secondly, if someone contains drugs, it interfaces with cognitive power, memory problems. It also deals with reduces appetite, and it excess use of drugs deals with damages liver, kidney, heart, and lung. It also interferes with the excess use of drugs. Also interferes with the memory or mental health also. Thank you.
Okay. Next, we are calling Kushagra. Please come.
Good morning, all of you. My topic is introduction. My name is Kushagra Saini. I am currently living in Delhi. I am a student for NEET. I have been preparing for NEET. I have done my class 12th in the year of 2023 on CBSE board. I have a passion cricket. Also, I have played under 19 cricket. My strength is I am a hardworking person and a practical person. Thank you. That's all.
All right. Mr. Amit Gupta.
Let's welcome Amit Gupta.
Hello everyone, my topic is self-introduction. Good afternoon ma'am, good afternoon sir, and my dear friends, all of you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity for giving me myself. My name is Amit Gupta. I am 20 years old. I am from UP. My family is my family a part of parents. I have one elder brothers and two elder sisters. Or I have completed in bachelor degree become Gorakhpur University. My hobby is listening to music and reading to book. That's all about me. And thank you.
Thank you very much.
Now we move to the another activity, which is like I'll be showing you some pictures. Anyone among you can come and pick any pick of your choice and then say few lines on that. I hope you're all ready. Shall I show you the pictures? Okay. The first one goes here. I hope you all can see it from your seats. Clear to everyone? Okay. And the second pick is this one. Wait, don't be so eager. I have one more to show you. And the third one is this. So, who will be coming here to speak on any of these? Okay. You will come, Akash? Please come.
Mohammed.
Oh, sorry, you're Mohammed. No. I'm so sorry. Just pick any one of these and say a few lines on that.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon, my dear teachers and my dear friends. My name is Muhammad Mursaleen. I am 18-year-old. I belong to UP, but currently I live in Delhi. I want to become a doctor. When I serve my country people, true honesty and humanity. I choose this picture.
Show the picture in the camera. Okay.
I want a few lines of tea. Tea is very common of all our world. These days it's refreshing. It's refreshing. It is grow in highly areas. Tea is its plant is very small. Tea is generally two colors, black and green. They are available in packet. Thank you.
Okay. Hello everyone. This is an icebreaker activity. So in this activity, we are going to stand from our seats and we are going to go to any random person. We can ask about anything from the person, maybe the name, age, or the hobbies, interest. So you have 1 minute to do it, and I'll keep a timer on. You can write it on the piece of paper, and then we'll choose a random person to speak. Is that okay? So everybody, let's set go. Your 1 minute starts now. Stand up, everyone. Go to any random person. Come on, quickly. Move. You can go to any person.
What's your name?
Come here, Mom. Time up, everyone. Please go back to your seats.
21.
Go, go, go. All right. Thank you. Now we are going to pick anyone, and you have to come forward and speak on that person. Okay, whatever information you have got about that person. Okay, so you can say that you have met this person, name of the person, whatever you have information you have collected, you have to come forward and say. Is it okay? Okay. Ma'am, please choose the students.
Sure, ma'am. So let's start first with Jagjit ji.
I met to Akash, and who said I asked about his name. He said Akash, from where he's coming. He said I am from UP. What he is doing, he is a student, and has he any bike or a car? He said I have a bike, and he is not working anywhere. And hobbies are watching movies and some albums.
Perfect.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Now let's welcome Dhruv.
Hello everyone. I just met Kritika Solanki. Kirti Solanki. She is like songs, and she also joined boxing, and she just graduated from Dwarka Sector 13.
All
That's
right. Thank you so much.
Maybe now we can Kirti. We can have Kirti over here.
Kirti. Let's welcome Kirti.
So hello everyone. I just met a wonderful personality, Dhruv. He's from Delhi, and by profession he's a trader. And I asked him about his future plans. His future plans are shifting to abroad. Maybe he want to set up his own business in country like Dubai, and he loves bike riding. Thank you. That's about it.
Now let's welcome Sahil.
I have met Soumya. She is a proper Delhi resident and she is a graphic designer. And she is 22. I have asked her about her profession, and she is a graphic designer. And that's all. I have nothing.
Okay. All right. Okay. So now let's welcome Soumya.
Okay. I met Sahil. He's a wonderful personality as well. He's a taekwondo player where he played Malaysia and Sri Lanka, as he mentioned earlier. And I asked him where he inspired with this profession. So he told me about that from childhood he has been doing. So yeah, thank you.
Let's welcome Rohan.
I met Kushagra Sani. He is from Delhi. He's 19 years old. His hobby is playing cricket. He is currently a NEET aspirant. Now he is going to the country Malta for pursuing BSc nursing.
Very good. Kushag, please come forward.
I met Rohan. He is age 28 year old. His hobby is playing chess and pool. His profession is businessman.
All right, please come back.
Let's welcome Shushmita.
I met Seema ma'am, and she's very wonderful girl, and I like her personality, and she's very good in English. That's it.
Thank you so much. You're very nice.
All right, we will be distributing prizes now according to the best speaker of the day. We'll be giving 3 prizes: first position, second position, and third position. Please wait for it.
Yes, it was really lovely interacting with you all, and some of the faces I have seen for the first time today, and holding 3 activities. I hope you will enjoy it. So now I'm going to announce the winners, and I tell you it was really tough to decide the winners because all of you were good in some way or the other, but we have to decide the winners. So the first winners, we have 2. One is not here, she has to leave because she had some work. So at first position we have Kirti and Situ. Kirti, stand up.
And the prize is given by none other than our
Journal manager.
Journal manager.
Miss Pooja Sharma.
Thank you.
And the second one goes to our Jagdish Singh. Please.
Because a lot of improvements we have seen.
At this age, to keep this enthusiasm is really something. And third one goes to, can you guess? Soumya was good. It was like tough deciding,
Sahil.
like 1 or 2 points left. It goes to Sahil.
Oh.
Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, everybody. Congratulations.